Yes, people, I'm back again, yeah. Tropical Kitchen is still alive. It's still here, people, yeah. Check it out. My shoes this. Lucky place like shoes this. Ring up 24-hour kitchen, people. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This one, people, yeah, is not a joke. Quickly, I got for you guys today, yeah. I got washed, cleaned, already prepped already, yeah, people, yeah. So people soaking in lime and lemon, yeah. Salmon fillets, yeah. I'm ready to just put these on the grill straight away. I'm just gonna rinse off my lemon water, my lime water quickly, yeah. Get my seasoning on there, get it on the grill. So far, so quick, yeah. Before you even know it, yeah, flavors is kicking out and jumping at you. Alright, people, so all I'm gonna do is just, remember I told you about the 24-hour kitchen, all-purpose seasoning, yeah. So see it, people, yeah. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on my fish just before I pop it on the grill. You know, say fish is a thing that you can just use salt and black pepper on the fish, you know, so you don't need to put much seasoning on fish. Fish is not a thing that you have to junk off with bare seasoning. It don't work like that. Fish is a thing, you know, say salt and black pepper, even that, and some Scotch bonnet pepper and some garlic and some ginger. Yeah, man, I'm mother road sitting fish. Yeah, cause this one here, look, I got all a fish head in there, yeah. I've taken out the eyes. Look at this mad thing. You ever see a fish with the eye gone yet? Can you see me? Yeah, man. A mad thing. I cook some fish for you people today, yeah. Alright, now watch nothing. Yeah. So check it out, people, yeah. No joke. You think I'm playing, yeah? Alright, check it out. Look at. No joke thing to the thing, yeah. It's not a play thing out here, yeah. A Ringo Vision. You got our salmon fillets in here. I'll call this one here a fish franchise, you get me? Ringo Vision fish franchise, yeah, so it's a selection, you get me?
They makes beats. They makes beats.
Yeah, people, this one's a petite taste, people, yeah. Just a little dash of wine, yeah, just to give the fish a different distinct flavor, people, yeah. Alright, here it is there. Yes people, I'm finished right now. As you can see right now, have a look people. Yeah? Salmon fillets, rose planting, yeah? Okra, the whole works is happening down here people. Come and have a look here people. This is the episode before, continuation. The full meal right now people, you're gonna get the full meal is steamed veg, yeah? And we've got here the roast fish. So let me start serving up people, cause it was a great episode today. So I hope you enjoyed this one guys. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, you know what time it is. Yeah, it's a tropical kitchen. See the tropical kitchen here? We're not spoiling the view for you guys. Yeah, we're in the tropical kitchen right now people. Yeah, alright. Wow, can you see this people? Yeah, it's not even a joke. Let me just tuck in quickly so that you can quickly. All right, pumpkin. The spice that's coming out of this. The salmon. People, nice one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's your boy Ringo Vision, yeah. 24-hour kitchen, yeah. Check me out on the YouTube people, yeah. Wherever you see this. You might see it on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, on other people's WhatsApp, social media. Go to the YouTube. We're over on the YouTube, yeah. Right here on the YouTube. Tropical kitchen, yeah. 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. See it there?